Well, the big story right now, the Supreme Court during a hearing on a public interest litigation on the worrying situation in Delhi because of air pollution had strong comments for the centre. It's asked the centre to continue measures for controlling air pollution for the next 2 or 3 days, saying we're not going to close the case even if pollution goes down now. We will continue to hear and issue directions. Arvind joining us with the latest on that. Arvind, what else has the court said?
Ankita, the Supreme Court continued with its hearing on the directions or the steps need to be taken to tackle the air pollution in the National Capital Region. So today at the start of the hearing, the central government submitted a note to the Supreme Court detailing the steps that they have taken since the mid of November. In fact, according to the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, he informed the Supreme Court stating that on November 16, the air quality index was somewhere around 403, but now it has improved, the air pollution has improved and it has gone down drastically to somewhere around 290. The air quality index as on yesterday is 290. So he said that as the situation has improved, that they are taking away, they are removing some of the restrictions on the construction activities, etc. And he also said that we are keeping a close watch on the situation in the National Capital Region, and then they would be again reviewing the situation after 3 days. And as on this date, some of the restrictions will still continue to tackle the air pollution in the National Capital Region. So after hearing this particular submission from the central government, Supreme Court made several strong observations and also questions to the central government. In fact, the Supreme Court said that all these are ad hoc measures like banning the construction activities and also stopping the non-essential trucks from entering Delhi, etc. All these are ad hoc measures, but according to the Supreme Court, they want the central government to do a scientific study and to come up with a scientific data-based model to tackle the air pollution in the National Capital Region. They also said that the Delhiites should not suffer with this poor air quality, and Supreme Court also observed saying that Delhi being a national capital, what kind of message or signal that we are sending to the world with this air pollution in the National Capital Region. On the stubble burning issue, the Supreme Court took a serious note of it, and they said that the bureaucracy and the secretaries should meet the farmers and also should speak to scientists across the board and then to come up with a solution on the stubble burning. And Supreme Court said that this is a very big concern and there has to be a solution for the stubble burning. The court also said that it can't be left to the farmers. There has to be some scientific based solution on this particular aspect. Judge also observed saying that there is a Govardhan model that has also been brought to the notice of the court. According to this particular Govardhan model, the stubble from all these 3 states, Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh, can be diverted to the states where there is a scarcity of cow fodder, etc. But they have asked the central government to keep a tab on the situation and then to take measures when and as needed to tackle the air pollution in the national capital. And Supreme Court also made it very clear that even if the air pollution goes down because of wind, etc., they will not be closing down this particular proceeding. They will continue to hear this proceeding, hear this case, and then issue directions to tackle the air pollution. And then the Supreme Court will be hearing this particular matter again on Monday.